This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. Today we have an exciting unboxing and swatching. For you, my beautiful nail family, we are going to be playing with some gorgeous Born Pretty PR. My gorgeous representative Cynthia reached out and I got to select some amazing goodies. So let's get right into that. So they sent over their metal painting gel, which is like a silver chrome, liquid chrome. It is so dynamic. I cannot wait to open that. As soon as I opened that pot up, it was like literal, like somebody crushed up a mirror. I couldn't get over how reflective it was, and just the formula is so dreamy to work with. So that is actually the first thing we're going to be swatching today, and then we're going to get into these 5 beautiful gels, including one which is a function gel, and that is a watercolor, so that's blooming gel. Oh my gosh. First of all, y'all already know my soul is tie-dyed. So we are going to be doing a tie-dye demo with some of Born Pretty's jelly colors alongside this watercolor nail gel. But without further ado, let's open up that crushed up mirror. I can't get over whether you're doing micro accents, you're doing nail art, or you're painting the entire nail this delicious color. The formula is out of control. I apologize. I probably blinded some folks. I could not. I was trying to catch that gorgeous silver sheen without blinding everyone with the reflection, but it is just out of this world. I was sure I could see my reflection in it. I even had to just show the little bit of product on my glove because it was so bright. It is so pigmented. And of course, y'all, I don't know, the universe wanted to do me dirty, so there was a tiny hair that got stuck, but it didn't change the fact that this swatch was so drop dead beautiful. Also, I was very impressed with this formula because there was no wrinkling, there was no issues. Like, yes, I put it on very thin, but I've had a few liquid chromes that I've tried from all sorts of different companies, and sometimes I do have that issue where, like, if you accidentally put on a little bit too much, it wrinkles like insane amounts. But I had no issue. Again, this formula was for like from the gods. It's just so beautiful, and that is a one coat mama. I can't get over that coverage. And again, we're swatching this on a clear background, so like 10 out of 10 on the opacity. And they had sent in an earlier PR package, the specific chrome mirror top coat. So I wanted to pair these two so you could get the ultimate shine. And you're going to see in a second, I see that darn hair, but it was micro and tiny, so it still did not change the fact that this color is shining. We are going to be featuring a lot of these Born Pretty products on TikTok. So if you are not already following my TikTok, this is the PSA. It is Ravenscape13. I will leave all the information in the description box below, but that is where you're going to get to see a lot of fun nailed it and shorts, alongside, of course, on here on the YouTubes. Next up, we have a delicious green. Oh my goodness, this is CG095. I cannot get over the vibrancy on this, y'all. It, again, I am a horror queen. You already know. Halloween is year round. So what is this? This is ectoplasm. This is Slimer green, and I am living for it. It's also so beautiful because there was a previous blue jelly that they had sent. So actually, when we do the demo for the tie-dye nail, we are going to do that on a white base, and then we're going to put both this stunning green and the jelly blue. And I can't get over how easy it is to make a flawless tie-dye design. So if you guys stay tuned and stick with this video, you're going to get to see all of the tests of these gorgeous products. So next up is the Milky Jelly Gel. Now, this Milky Jelly Gel is 56365. I would call this white lace. It is a gorgeous milky white, and and you guys, you're going to find this really hard to believe, but in my entire nail collection, I always like to say on the Rasta, I actually do not have one milky white. I have a bunch of milky polishes that have hues of pinks and purples and greens, but I do not have one that is this stunning color. So I am so very excited to play around with this. I think this will be angelic lace nails. We got when we do the milk flower, like the milk bath nails, it's just the opportunities are endless with this one. So next up, we are going to be using the Watercolor nail gel. Now this is a function gel, and the Watercolor is a beautiful name because it really does give that watercolor look. But y'all, don't be confuzzled. This is blooming gel. So you always do a thin layer and make sure that you do not cure, and then you dot or swipe or any kind of, because you can do marbles with blooming gel, you can do so much. But for this tie-dye design, I am just doing half circles, and as soon as I like the amount that it's bloomed, I cure this, and then I go in with another thin coat of that blooming gel and dot our jelly blue. And I could not get over the seamless ombre that these did together. Like, it was just so beautiful. But that step of first doing the blooming gel, doing the green dots, curing, and then going back in is so essential, because you can do designs where you just continue to do dots or do swipes with different colors, and that will bloom completely different. But we want a little bit more control here. And then we top it off with Born Pretty's matte. And there you have it. It's so simple, but so satisfying. This is the tie-dye demo. So next up on that white lace, the jelly gel, I always think it's so funny to say the Milky Jelly Gel. So that I just put a little bit of chameleon flakes. I like to call them raven flakes because I like to put it on everything. But I'm going to go in with their matte, and then we are going to play a little bit with the metal painting gel. So I just wanted to speak a little bit about Born Pretty. I love their products so much. I find that they are constantly on all of the nail trends, delivering the most revolutionary products at affordable prices. And it is just a win-win because, first of all, their products are salon quality. But secondly, the affordability factor means, especially for people that are starting their collections, that are really trying to grow and, create content, etc., this is definitely at such a great price point that you don't feel guilty doing a splurge. And speaking of not feeling guilty, if you want to save extra, Born Pretty has a back to school event. It has started August 8th to August 14th. And on August 10th, there's free shipping. All you have to do site-wide is use code August, so AUG 25. So with AUG 25, you will save 25% on any Born Pretty product. You can feel free to also click my referral link so they know who sent you. So I have a fun story here. When my representative reached out and she gave me the list of things to choose the shades and colors from, I actually asked if she could send an additional color. And that's actually the color that you're seeing me swatch right now. So this jelly purple, it caught my eye, and I thought in tandem with their rainbow holographic magnetic gel that it would just be like a match made in heaven. So this color is JN46, and I had asked my representative if she could send it alongside the magnetic cat gel because I was just so inspired. So the magnetic cat gel is a rainbow holographic. It will work on literally anything you put it on because it also gives that like velvet look. It is so beautiful, and it's like crushed up diamonds and rainbow. Even my camera was not even picking up half of the magic that was going on. So I even end up bringing the swatch very close to the camera just so you can see that holographic magic, like Holo, can you hear me? It is just so beautiful and so fun to play with. Now, we're doing science, y'all, so I wanted to figure out what the best way that this specific product was manipulated, like by the magnet, if it was better. I always say like the different attractions, so the pull or the negative. So I was just doing my best NV science, but having so much fun. There is something so satisfying about holographic, period. But when you have holographic and magnetic gels, it is just literally fairy dust. It is just so beautiful. I guess I was also having like a Wizard of Oz moment, like Tin Man fantasy realness. So I also wondered, in the name of science, the metal painting gel, what would this rainbow holo look on top? So after swatching on the gorgeous jelly purple, I had to bust out that metal painting gel and then top it with this cat magnetic gel, which is 56383. But y'all, I feel like I have to whisper, is this not out of like, this is, we're in galaxy now. We are in outer space. Like, I could not get over how beautiful. And then I shifted too much and I just moved all of the particles away. So I do like to do different tests as I move them around. Like, if I can pull them back, sometimes I can. But if not, don't fear. Just grab yourself, dip into your magnetic gel, and just give a gentle swipe, and you can begin playing with that magnet some more. It's also important because, like, technically this is like doubling up the coat, so you just want to also take away any excess gel there. I was very impressed, even though at some points it wasn't picking up on the camera. This holographic magnetic gel is extremely responsive to that magnet, and it's like it wakes up the polish, like you get all of that rainbow magic, and it just brings forth an otherworldly sparkle. It just adds that extra flair to your designs, especially if you're going for something simple. Like, you could just get any kind of color you wanted, whether that be jelly or cream, and then placing this on top, it just gives like such a beautiful velvet, like velvet Skittles vibes. I did also want to just take the brush and bring it close to camera just so that you could kind of see the particles moving in action, because I did know on both of those swatches it might have been a little bit harder to see, but as like there is no doubt on the black bristles there, you can see those babies shining. Just so beautiful. Again, y'all know I'm a rainbow child, so give me crushed up rainbow anything and I'm in heaven. So I most definitely love this polish. Also, I wanted to note that every single one of these amazing products are going to be in the description box below. So if there is any of these colors, jelly polishes, the metal painting gel, the blooming gel that is speaking to your heart, I wanted to make sure that you had an easy place, a clickable link, so you could try out these goodies. Thank you so much, my beautiful nail family, for spending a part of your day with me. I hope you found these polishes as dynamic and beautiful as I did. And if any of these gels inspired you and you would like to pick them up, in the description box below is all of not only the codes, but all of the links so that you can grab them. Oh, from the bottom of my heart, I am sending all of my love, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Mwah! Thank you again for watching.